John with the cat in the alley. Chicago, Illinois.
Hi, this is John Choi walking Mark's cat. He's eating away right there.
Yeah.
While I'm just feeding to smoke some weed.
Yeah, do a freestyle right now. Go for it.
Yo, this is a freestyle. Me and Mark chilling back. Meanwhile, shit is happening. You know that I don't like rapping in front of other people because I get embarrassed. But yo, who am I gonna harass? Over here, just Anthony and Mark. Mark the spark in it. You know, we're like Joan the Ark in it. Yo, this guy's about to be departing it.
Yeah.
So let me be Leonardo DiCaprio and start in it.
Okay.
Of Titanic.
All right. Thank you, John, for that musical masterpiece.